All right, money's cooked through storms. We have a thunderstorm coming through, but no big deal. Gonna still cook it. Ready to grill down. We're gonna do some corn right now. So, pull the skin off. We washed it, dried it, and now we're going to grill it. About medium-high heat. And we got zucchini. And the zucchini, all we did, put some olive oil on it. Down it goes. About a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Just gonna turn the corn. That's all you're gonna do is every about minute and a half to 2 minutes, just turn the corn. And the next time I open up, I'll flip the zucchini over. Alright, back down. Alright, it's starting to pour, so I have to bring the grill inside. And the zucchini is done. And then you can add salt and pepper if you want, or nothing. There you go. And I'm just going to do a quick turn on the corn. Put it back down. And I've got some naan right here that I'm going to start grilling. The naan will cook very fast, so go ahead and flip it. Alright, the naan is done. All you have to do is add butter. Alright. If you like your corn plain, fine. You can try this truffle. Sprinkle it on. That's one way. All right, we got red chili powder, we got salt, and I don't have any limes, but we're gonna use lemon. Gonna mix this up. All right, and then take the lemon, and then squeeze the juice all over it. This is how we did it in Africa. So you can have it plain or any way you want it.